Alright guys, I'm gonna show you how to put a sling on. And I just had shoulder surgery. This is a Don Joy sling. So, and this is basically what they gave me from the after the surgery. So there's three components. There's the sleeve that goes on your arm. So this is my recovering arm, right arm. There's the waist strap, and then there's like the shoulder strap on the left side. Okay, so what you do is you put your arm in the sling first. So I found, like, you know, you try not to move your arm too much, but my arm, like, it can still do like this kind of movement. All right, and it's really helpful to use your leg. So if you can kind of do that at the same time as the sling, you put it behind. Okay, and then so the idea is to get your arm into this pocket. Okay, and you want to kind of have it so that your elbow is as close to the back of the thing as possible. Okay, and then this thing kind of comes over and just seals it in place, and then there's another one that goes around your here to get your hand in place. Does that make sense? Okay, so now this is the next bit is a little bit trickier, but you should be able to do it with one person. You don't need another person. So adjust this so it's like not twisted or anything, and then have it sort of go around the other way. Okay, so if you can hold your thing, your leg doesn't need to be there, but just be careful not to just drop your arm. Okay, so then to get this thing on the other side, you can get someone to help you, obviously, but obviously you want to be able to do it on your own, just in case there's no one around. Okay, so you get it around the waist, and it just clips in like that. Okay, so then the last thing is to get the shoulder strap. It's a longer one, so it's kind of easier. You can kick it around. So this one is kind of goes on like a backpack. Okay, so be careful not to get it too twisted. So it should go on like a backpack, and you can make sure it's facing the right way. I think I have it the other way. And then once you go it on, like it feels like a backpack when you're putting this on. And then there's two clips, and there's one for each thing. And you just click it in, and then you click it in, and sometimes